Welcome to Marcos Finance Solutions, your trusted guide for turning financial uncertainty into opportunity. Whether you're building wealth, launching a side hustle, or making a major life move, we're here to help you take control, make informed decisions, and move forward with clarity. In today's fast-paced world, career change is no longer a rare exception. It's a growing norm. Whether you're leaving a job to pursue passion, shifting industries due to burnout, or chasing new opportunities across borders, one thing is universal. Money plays a huge role in the journey. Financial planning isn't just about saving or investing. It's about preparing yourself to move forward without fear. It's about building a foundation that can carry you through transition. And today, I want to walk you through how to do just that. Before any budget spreadsheet or savings plan, ask yourself, why do I want to change careers? Is it passion? Burnout? A need for better income? Or is it a long overdue dream? Clarity on your why gives you purpose and helps define your financial needs. For example, starting a business might need capital, while going back to school might require tuition planning. Without this clarity, you might build a plan for the wrong journey. You need to know where you stand financially before you can leap. How much do you earn? What are your monthly expenses? What debts do you carry? What are your savings? This honest self-audit is your starting line. You can use tools like budgeting apps, Excel sheets, or even pen and paper. But the truth is crucial. Every career change comes with uncertainty, and uncertainty can get expensive. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This includes rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, transport, healthcare, and minimum debt payments. If you're entering a highly unstable period, like starting a freelance life or a startup, aim for 9 months to a year. This isn't just a cushion, it's your runway. It buys you time, clarity, and peace of mind. Temporarily lowering your expenses is not failure, it's discipline. During a transition, identify what can go. Cancel unused subscriptions, dine out less, avoid large unnecessary purchases, reduce luxury expenses. Every dollar you save extends your financial runway. And remember, this is temporary. You're making space for something bigger. Career change doesn't always mean quitting cold turkey. Can you freelance part-time, consult in your old field, drive, deliver, teach online, or pick up temporary gigs? Bridging income sources allow you to survive without draining your savings. They also teach you valuable skills and expose you to new industries. Sometimes you need to spend to grow. Courses, certifications, licenses, these might be necessary to enter your new career. But plan them like investments, not expenses. Research the return. Will this certification get you a job faster? Will this degree double your income potential? Prioritize high-impact education. Your long-term goals, home ownership, retirement, travel, family support, may shift with your career change. That's okay. Update your plans and timelines. Maybe retirement takes 2 years longer. Maybe your dream of traveling starts earlier. Reframe your goals with your new path in mind. If your transition is complex or high stakes, speak to a professional. A financial planner can help you map out the numbers realistically, account for taxes, optimize your savings, and protect your wealth. This step isn't just for the wealthy. It's for the wise. Not every month will go to plan. Unexpected bills, rejections, fear, self-doubt, they'll show up. But with a solid financial foundation, you'll handle them with resilience. Give yourself grace. Take breaks. Celebrate progress. And remember, a detour is not a defeat. Financial planning is also about emotional well-being. Talk to those who've walked the path. Join online communities. Share your fears. Learn from others. A strong support system reduces stress and keeps you accountable. Changing careers is not just a professional shift, it's a personal revolution. And when done right, it can be one of the most empowering, freeing experiences of your life. But don't ignore the money. Plan for it. Respect it. Align it with your purpose, because your career should feed your soul, and your financial plan should fuel that journey. If this message spoke to you, share it with someone who's thinking about starting over. Let them know. It's never too late to change. Just don't change without a plan. This is Marcos Finance Solutions, helping you move forward with purpose, power, and financial clarity.